Hey guys, it's Brian here with another ceiling fan video. This is a 52-inch Bel-Aire ceiling fan from the late 1980s. It's antique brass with 5 cane blades. It's got the GE vents on the motor with a filigree sideband. And I added a 4-light tulip shade fitter to it. That did not come with the fan when I got it. These were originally sold at Handy Andy home improvement stores. And I'll show you the original box that it came with. They're made in Taiwan, or sorry, Thailand, Taiwan. There's the model number there. As you can see here, it says made in Thailand for Handy Andy home improvement centers. It is a flush mountable fan, but there's no reason to have it on a flush mount since these ceilings are rather high. I have it on a down rod. And there's a backstory to this particular fan. First of all, I got this fan from Jonathan Finn, who actually wound up getting it from the Akron Habitat for Humanity Restore, which used to be Handy Andy. So that probably explains where it came from. Second of all, when I was a kid, I went to a preschool that had one of these in the kitchen with the same light fixture. So I wanted to set this one up the same way. So I really like how this turned out. So let me go ahead and turn off the light so you can see the fan in the natural light. It's in good condition. Go ahead and turn it on low. It does have a pronounced hum to it, but for this space it really doesn't matter. Turn it to medium. Definitely moves some air on medium. It does have a little bit of a wobble to it. And high. It moves decent air on high. I mean, it's no Hunter original, but it'll do for this space. It's got a bit more of a pronounced wobble on high, but the light fixture is slightly loose, so the wobble may look a little bit worse than it actually is. But it's definitely moving some air on high. And we'll do the spin down. And because this was a new in-box fan, the bearings are good, completely silent, though I don't know for how long they will be, considering that it's hanging in a garage. I really like the look of this fan. I've always liked the 5-blade GE Vent fans with cane blades with these light fixtures on them. It's a pretty cool looking fan. And I see these quite a bit in the area. There's a convenient food mart in my hometown that actually has, I think, like 5 of these. although I believe they're polished brass, but they do have the cane blades, and I'm led to believe, because there was a Handy Andy in North Olmsted back in the day that is now Home Depot, I'm led to believe that those are Bel-Aire fans as well. They could be Crest. I'm not entirely sure, but I'll have to go back and make a video of those at some point. So yeah, that's my 52-inch Bel-Aire ceiling fan, originally sold at Handy Andy Home Improvement stores. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching, more videos to come.